I'm David LeBlanc.
And I'm Ruby LeBlanc. And we've lived here for 34 years in this home.
So in 2020, we had Hurricane Zeta. It was listed as a Category 1 storm, and it came through very fast. The following year, 2021, when Hurricane Ida was projected to make landfall, we started making preparations, and it was heading straight for us.
I'm born and raised here, but I never realized what a catastrophic hurricane could do. Unfortunately,
when we had evacuated for the storm, we did not know if we were going to have a home. It was that severe, and from the reports we were getting, I would say somewhere between 80 and 90% of the roofs that we saw were severe, had severe damage. And when we pulled up in front of our house, our roof was intact.
When we were debating what kind of roof to put on this house, my concern was cosmetic. I just wanted it to keep the theme of the older house. And David's concern was he wanted it to last forever.
Yes, it was very important to me to have the metal roof. So we reached out to Middle South, and they came here and did a presentation on the different styles of roof, the qualities of the roof, the warranties of the roof, and which all exceeded my expectations. And at that point, when we saw this roof, we made the decision right then and there. The quality of the material and the quality of the workmanship as they were installing it, putting down threaded ring shank stainless steel fasteners and an extra clip for hurricane protection. The foam backing, which has turned out to be a wonderful addition. It's reduced our utility bills quite a bit.
When the roof was being installed, step by step, I was just amazed at how it was the perfect fit, because it's really what I had envisioned. But then David was really happy because of the way it was so stable, and it was going to fulfill what he had wanted in a roof.
And immediately, as they started installing, you could see that we had made the right choice. A metal roof is going to give you that life expectancy. A shingle roof in this area, with the weather conditions, the hot and the cold, it's just not going to give you that. I do wish that we would have had a metal roof many years ago, and we wouldn't have waited this long. It's given us such a relief to know that we have a very strong, secure roof product now. I just wish we would have done it sooner.
Would you say this is the best decision we made for this home?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I really do. It's given us quite a bit of confidence now in the integrity of our home.
Our new roof was put to the test and passed.